Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Job search can be overwhelming sometimes, and also without proper research we will get nowhere. I often get queries that how to get jobs in Germany. So in today's video I am going to share different websites which will help you to get a step further to get your dream job here in Germany. Online searches is one of the popular method in today's world. Sitting at your place, you can search job in your home country or in overseas. Talking about job in Germany, the good news is it is possible to find English speaking job in Germany, but also not so good news is the English speaking job is completely depend on your skill and that professional training you have got or the experience you have got. If you are willing to put some time and also do some hard work, then you will discover that there are plenty of opportunities here, especially if you are professional with in-demand skills that German economy needs. So the first step of the job search is to start applying for jobs. In today's video, I am going to share the popular and the best website available in Germany to apply for the job. Watch the video until the very end because I have a pro tip for you. Before getting into the video, let me tell you, job search is a very tedious task and it needs a lot of patience. If you are planning to switch a job or get a new one, in any case, searching a job should be your first job until you find your dream job. So you should have the mindset that applying 2, 3, 4 job will not work, and you need to keep track of all the websites you are applying for the job. So watch my video until the very end, save, share and also comment down all your queries in the comment below, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get the notification of my latest video. So let's get started.
First one is Indeed. Indeed has grown exponentially over the past 10 years or so to become one of the most important job portals in Germany. Few years back, Indeed was barely meet the expectation, but now they get the most monthly search traffic in Germany. The look and feel of the Indeed is pretty basic. Honestly, I prefer the UI on most of the competitor sites, but Indeed also has some additional useful functions. Indeed has also created a very useful for crowdsourced database of employees, and it's very good for to find out salaries, how much one can expect for particular role, and also ratings of their employers. If you are considering applying for a position, even if it's not advertised on Indeed, it's definitely worth checking out this function just based on the sheer number of reviews on here. Other than filtering by job title and location, you are also able to sort based on relevance of the position and keywords you searched for. Also, you can find based on the date of the position was advertised. There is no option, unfortunately, to search by language of the job ad. You can also upload your CV and store this inside the platform if you register to save uploading each time you apply for a new job. Next one is stepstone.de. Almost since looking for jobs on the internet become a thing, Stepstone has seemingly been the front runner for the job portal in Germany. While Indeed may have piped them when it comes to monthly visitor, I suspect you all end up spending more time on Stepstone site simply because the experience is way more pleasant and there are some really neat feature on here. It's the only top search job portal that allows you to filter out job ads in English without having to look at the more niche search engines which scrap English speaking jobs from other portals and job boards on the internet. Stepstone makes it very clear, and it will be easier for you to find your English speaking job here. Next one is LinkedIn.com. LinkedIn is gold for job seekers. I personally love LinkedIn like anything. It's like your online CV or personal record of achievements. LinkedIn may not be as popular in Germany as many other countries due to its domestic rival Zing, but nonetheless, it offers a huge opportunity to reach approx 9 million active users in Germany. I personally got lot of calls from LinkedIn for my profile. Because of Zing's present, the previous dominance within German speaking Europe, I really see this is an advantage if you are avid LinkedIn user. The current published trend to be a lot more English language driven as a result, where LinkedIn really comes into its own, though it's through being able to find recruiters and headhunters in the industry you are seeking a job in. If a couple of them like your CV and experiences, they will do your work for you. They will put you in touch with recruiting managers and help you with introducing to hiring companies and generally be like a virtual assistance for your job search. Remember though, this will only happen if you have some commercial value to them. They are in it for the commission. I personally get lots of messages for my profile to connect with the companies, so I will recommend LinkedIn all the time. Next site I wanted to recommend here is jobrapido.de, the highest traffic job search engine. Jobrapido is definitely worth a look because it's just not a Me Too version of the job marketplaces listed higher up in the rankings. You might wonder what's the difference between a job board or job marketplace and a job search engine site. Well, job marketplaces are typically responsible for their own content. Hiring companies or agencies pay them to post job, or the different job marketplaces syndicate each other's content. Job search engines work a bit differently. They scrape the internet for job ads, and as such they often feature different open positions than the job marketplaces. Their crawling technologies has the ability to scrape job ads from the company's own web pages. So if a hiring company is not posting one of the major job marketplaces, then you may spot some unique content on sites such as this. Next site I want to mention here is Zing. Zing is a native German competitor to LinkedIn and up until recently was only available in German. I suspect because they are under intense pressure from their huge competitors, also in the German speaking market, they have recently raised their game. Not only do they have their site completely in English as well as German, they also have made some significant improvements and invested heavily in their job search functions. The result is that it gets over 2 million page views and easily makes up to the top 10. You can make friends, you can join to the groups, events, and also search as per your job. And like LinkedIn, you can also get messages in your inbox here and you can reply them to connect with the recruiter. I would surely recommend to have a Zing profile and be active on the Zing if you are looking for a job in Germany. My next recommendation would be minestat.de. This is the only one of the top 10 job website in Germany based on website traffic, which focuses primarily on jobs for non-graduates. If getting any job as a mean to intensively learn German in your strategy and you are focused on specific location, minestat.de could offer you some unique opportunities not found on the other sites. It's also worth noting that Minestat is not just a job portal, it's essentially a directory and a portal for your local area, such as they also offer pages with property for rent, or dating portals, or car for sale. My next site here is Kimeta. Similarly offering to Jobrapido above, Kimeta is also a job search engine and has a very similar feel and UI. This and Jobrapido are the only search engines among the top 10 job websites in Germany. And I would recommend while searching your job, you also include job search engine with your job marketplace as well. So that's why the recommendation. My next recommendation would be Monster.de. Few years back, this was the only one of the major player in Germany. Since then, Monster has fallen from the lofty heights it once enjoyed and these days is offering nothing special or unique. Chances are, if you have used Stepstone or Indeed, you are unlikely to need to search for longer on Monster. But I would recommend worth a check in the monster.de as well. So next site is Stellenanzeigen.de. Another one worth a look, but again unlikely to offer a hugely unique offering versus the major players. One cool feature with Stellenanzeigen.de, however, is their option to filter by popular companies. Great if you have specially got your eye on a particular company to join in who would be love to work for. You can directly go in here and check for your favorite company's job vacancies over there. Now it's done for my bonus site recommendation, and you should give a thought on this. My bonus site recommendation is Expertier.de. Even though this is not one of the top job portal in Germany by traffic or job postings, it deserves a special mention because German job ads typically don't indicate the expected salary range. This is especially annoying because you could risk wasting time applying for something below your expectations. The advantage of Expertier is that it only advertises roles which pay above 60,000 euros per year. The downside is that it's a premium site costing 11.90 euro per month. But then, if you are targeting a salary of over euro 60k a year, then get the premium membership done. Because Expertier tends to play at the higher end of the market and there also tends to be more job description in English. This provide a lot of option for your job search with competitive salary. This is all for today's video guys. I wish you all the very best for your job hunt and also drop me in the comment below the challenges you are facing during your job search in domestic or overseas, or if you need more information on it. Would love to reply them out. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel. I will provide more helpful videos for you all. And also hit the bell icon and share with the people whoever needs it. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.